Hey, hey, stop. Wow, determination. Oh, look at that. You got it. Good morning. Today, I'm doing a daily vlog because trying to do the weekly vlog has been so difficult for me to keep up with it. So we're gonna start with baby steps. Today, I have to finish this website for my husband's soccer academy. I'm so excited. And then I also need to finish planning my content for next week and do Zara's hair. Just like some 4 cornrows, just so I finish on time for them to go do the soccer stuff. And then later on in the evening, we do have the soccer thing going on around 4. Around 4, we need to start getting ready to go. So it's a packed day today, and I figured why not vlog about it so I can get better with doing these vlogging videos because I need to get better at it. So another thing that I've been needing to do is just boil the the baby's bottles. If you're African, you know what the deal is. Oh, this is too close. Okay. All right, that's better. Yeah, so basically it's gonna just be boiling the pacifiers, the baby's bottles, because when you don't boil it for a while, especially we don't really use the dishwasher like that. So if you use the dishwasher, you're not gonna have a smell. Like it doesn't smell as bad, but kind of smells. So if you don't use the dishwasher, because the dishwasher is gonna get all the scent out as well. But if not, we do it the good old way, boiling it. At first I was just gonna do like the pacifiers. Ooh, it's hot. Because I put it in the microwave. But I was like, let me just do all the bottles because why not? I think the last time I did it was maybe 3 or 4 weeks ago. So usually want to wash the bottles before. Like these 2 need to be washed. The other ones I removed it from this thing. Hot lake. What do you call this thing again? Bottle steamer. Bottle steamer. Yeah. Oh. I smell it. The last time I even posted a vlog was like, ooh, I put too much soap. Last time I posted a vlog on YouTube was maybe 2 months ago. To be honest, I was kind of like, it was kind of getting a bit overwhelming because I was like, how do you even edit your vlogs? And then I was watching this video yesterday of this other vlogger. What, mama? He said, ma, ma, ma. Ma, ma, ma. Yeah, so I was basically getting so overwhelmed because I'm like, how do you even edit? And yesterday there's this one video that I started watching and she was just doing like a daily vlog. Then I was thinking to myself, why don't I start with daily vlogs? It would just be easier. Then when I have like a sequence, I have to go into doing the weekly vlogs because it's not as easy as people make it look. So, yeah. Now I'm just making sure that I remove these parts so everything can really boil. Any extra smells can get out. Think we're good to go. This days you've been looking as if you need 10 weeks vacation, so you better take it. Oh, okay. When you're ready, I want to invest in your vlogging life. Yes, I'll buy you that. Because I'm telling you, when you're trying to do multiple things at once, that's why it's not working. Yeah. Oh gosh. Yeah, because every time I think about it, I'm like, the night is warm, the world feels slow. I trace the memories only we both know. Every breath, every touch you gave still lingers softly in space. At first I was skeptical about this tripod, but I love it. I love it. I love it. Can I try this? Can I try this? Yeah, I don't have to like be clasping it and all of that. Mommy. You need to get another tripod. All the ones you have, I thought you used it. Legend. Can you try to clip it? For what? Legend, come up with it. Oh, don't touch my tripod. I just want to try it, Mom. You just want to try it? You try it later. Okay. Mom poop. It smells fresh indeed. Fresh? Fresh poop? Let's go change the diaper. Ooh, hot. Yeah. Wow, Zara, your hair is so beautiful. Look at this. It looks like... The one thing I like about your hair is that it's so full. Oh, me? Yes. Okay, thanks. Okay, thanks. It's so full. Yeah. You got it from your mama. Yeah. From your mama. Yeah, that's you. Yeah, that's me. I actually just want to do braids, to be honest, but because of time, because we gotta leave this house in it's already 1 o'clock. We gotta leave this house in the next 3 hours. Oh, and mommy, so do we have to go with you? What do you mean? Do we have to go with you? We're going to the soccer field. We're going to play soccer. Oh, together? Yeah, so I can record some videos while you're playing. Isn't that exciting? Yeah. That is accessory. I can keep saying accessory. He's doing whatever he can to stay up, and I'm like, I don't know, why do kids do that? It's so annoying. About when I tell you about diversifying your content, you're like, oh no. And then he's gonna be, Mom, why did we start a fine? Yeah. Bro, the thing was not even recording. That's okay. Mama, you can stand up. There you go. I tried. I did 1, 2, 3, 4. Next time I'm gonna do 6. That way. Whew. I think it's now. What time is it? I'm okay, shit. Bro. We got 2 hours. How am I slacking on this? You know what it takes to do the website? That's the point, meaning that you shot everything.
Exactly. So,
Did you want her to go to the field looking like that
okay.
when the hair was messed up? No.
Did you take your mommy?
Well, that's the thing about straps.
This part is what I was asking you, if different ages have different type of training. Now we're finally going to the park so that my husband can launch his soccer academy. Yeah! Zara, you are one of your daddy's players. She is.
I'm one of
Yeah, you're gonna be kicking balls. Finally made it. So I gotta switch over and start recording stuff, but yeah. Keep going, keep going. Kick again. Woo! Come on, guys.
Go around quick, okay? Don't block the other person.
Kick, mama. Good job. Should I hold that goal with something? There's no way I can do that. There's no way I would have gotten that.
Get your ball. Get your ball. Get your ball.
Woo!
I did it!
Come on.
So I think we've been out here for.
Go, 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 go. Don't wait for me. Good job.
I think we've been out here now since.
How you doing, sir?
I think it's like roughly 1 hour right now.
There you go. There you go. Come on, come on. Show me what you got. Boom. Come on.
Oh,
Rubbing
you almost got it too. That would have. Okay. So time for us to go home. Yeah. It's good now. What? Amaya is just dragging me into this plant. Like, what's going on? You see my mom? She's telling me how this thing is happening tomorrow. All of a sudden, I'm in the schedule. What?